So if you've ever been watching your Amazon Prime shows or videos and you feel like the sound just sounds terrible, just doesn't sound right, there's a good reason why, and I can show you what the problem is. And this is specifically on a Roku device, but it may be on other devices as well. So what you'll notice is when you play, even if it's a modern movie like this is a Mission Impossible movie, it's full HD, should sound great, especially if you have surround speakers. But what you'll notice is it sounds very tinny, like it's raining in the background or like it's in a tin can. It just doesn't sound right. In fact, it sounds pretty awful. So what you'll want to do is apparently on Roku, sometimes it does not select the default audio track that is the best quality. And there are in fact several different audio tracks available. So what you need to do, and you need to do this while it's playing, not while it's paused. So you go ahead and get it playing, and then press your star key, which is the options key, and it will pause it, and it will bring up this audio track selection menu. So you want to scroll down to the second where it says audio track. See where it says 1 of 3. So in this case, there's 3 audio tracks of different bitrate qualities, which is a measure of sound quality for the track. So what it is defaulting to is a 64K bitrate, which is right in the middle of the road. So if you hit the OK button here and you toggle through each one of them, you'll see that number change. So it goes from 64 to 32. 32 is even worse. It's terrible. It's garbage. 64 doesn't sound great already. Go to 128. That's the highest quality track available, and that's the one you want. So once you select that, go down, you select OK. It'll rebuffer and play, and it will sound like night and day. It'll sound like the full HD, modern cinema sound that it should. And that's what you need to do at the beginning of each time you watch a show or a movie, is do this at the beginning. Once you start playing it, check the highest availability for track bitrate quality, change it, go back, and it will load and buffer and start replaying. And you'll have a much better experience, and it'll sound a lot better. So like, subscribe, good luck, have fun.